Hello. Today we're talking about clutter, and we're talking about the fact that clutter is a bad habit. It's a habit. We do it over and over again. We throw things on the table. We put things on the countertop. We drop things on the floor. Whatever it is, it becomes something that we repeat over and over and over again until it's ingrained and we don't even know we're doing it. It's a habit. So to break that habit, you're going to have to be mindful, and you're going to have to do clutter stops, which means that you're going to stop the clutter from building in your home and preventing it from rebuilding in areas that you have decluttered by looking around at lunch, at breakfast, at lunch, and at dinner to see what you've left out by habit that you didn't realize you did. Sometimes you can even look through your viewfinder of your phone and see things better than you can with your naked eye because you're so used to these things. So today, start breaking your habit. Make it a great day.